Today I'm with my friends. Gabby. Gabby and Giselle.
And what are we gonna be doing today?
We're just gonna be like
Spine?
Oh. Yes, spine on people.
I'm her camera girl.
As you can see by the camera. As you can see by the title. Come on.
Okay. I'm the camera girl. Oh my god, I feel like I'm just gonna be looking inside the camera and it's gonna tell me that's gonna make me trip.
Like, yeah.
It looks like I got punched.
It smells like smoke. Is it just me? No?
Well, my brother's not here.
Oh, that's Arlo's.
I don't want to
No,
do
my
my
brother's
hair.
not
I don't want to do my
here,
hair.
so
I want to do my.
Wait, stop. You already seen my camera.
I don't want to do my hair. I want to leave it done.
Okay.
I like it like that.
Here.
I said I like it like that. I feel like I'm just gonna be running. I'm gonna be looking at the camera, and then I'm gonna trip over something and then die. Not kidding.
Guys, she fell in the hole. We're gonna do spine on people.
So, Tyler, tell us what happened. Why are you running? I don't even know.
I'm ready.
I thought you were running because of the guy. That guy kind of creeped me out too. Okay, I'm gonna make a wish. Wait, can you tell people what your wish is when you wish for something on that line? Yeah. Okay. Hey, so guys, I'm gonna wish.
You guys wish for something. Wish for something.
Those are the license.
The license.
What the heck? That scared me. Make a wish, guys. Okay. Woo! I know I threw it wrong. Wait, where's Gabby? Where's Gabby? Where's Gabby? Can you please not leave me? Where's Gabby?
She's over there. She's spying on them.
I'm gonna go. Let's go ahead.
I know. We're spying on them.
Oh my god. Oh, she's right there. Gabby.
I felt like something. It's like if I got my brat. Gabby, do you have guns? No. Do you have guns? Yeah. Do you have some in your backpack? Oh no. Oh. Why?
Let's go.
Like when we're not running, you flip the camera, yeah. You know Gabby has guns. Over here! Hurry!
Wait, let's go. Okay.
Wanna go knock it out?
Yeah, I thought she left somewhere.
No, but do you?
Sure. Doesn't she live over here? Doesn't she live over here? Why are you coming to my house?
Oh, what the heck? You're just out? I thought you were daddy.
Okay. So guys, we're walking for now. We're so tired. Hurry! You know, last time we were running, we started running when we saw a kite. I thought we were running.
And his friend, that's where the spine on. Well, over there.
Let's go take a rest. Okay, I need to tell you something. When we were running over here, when we started, I thought we were running because the fire. You just had told me that she told me that Taka was the last time he was flirting with Jad, which is that.
No.
She was short.
No.
He was like,
I always wear short shorts. No, he never does anything to me.
but she actually.
Oh, we need spine. Shh. Guys, they're all the way over there.
I wish it good luck.
Somewhere. Oh shoot! Guys, she's over. They're over there.
Oh, let's get in trouble.
Like we're just pretending we're not there.
Mom.
I know.
Highway or the high. Can I film?
You know I'm recording you guys to the police.
We're recording you guys, and then it's gonna go all over YouTube, and it's gonna be sent to the police, and you guys are gonna go to jail.
No, we're spying with them. Like show credit group. That's all. Yeah.
No.
Guys, that's my baby brother. What?
So?
What?
I don't know.
Can I film? Can I film you?
Sure.
Wait, do I flip the camera? Do I flip the camera? Okay.
Today we're gonna be spying on the boys. Right there. Yeah.
You're coming so close to the camera. Okay.
Guys, that's my BFF. BFF. She was my first friend, actually. I run from Gabby.
We were friends when we were in kindergarten. We're running so
Huh? Why? No, we're running away from the boys. We're running away from the boys, not you.
Remember when you were running? We're like, come run.
You just walk.
You were just walking there.
Okay. Guys. Oh. I'm ignoring my BFF. She's my ex-friend, which her name is Gabby. She's so annoying. Gabby, if you see this, you're so annoying. Were you guys in that car? Were you guys in that car?
No, that one mine. Yeah.
Oh. You got so much chasing me. my other friend came. But hurry, you come. What?
Yeah, you said that she was just kidding. And she said that she's actually gonna go inside now, and this might be the last time she might come out.
Okay.
She told me that's all. Told me to tell you
Do you still want to hang out with me?
that. Sure. Can I film? Yeah. I like to be the camera. There.
All the boys are back there. Boys.
Oh, that's my grandma and grandpa. That's my grandma and grandpa. No, look, that white truck is my grandma and grandpa. Okay. But you're gonna see my grandma and grandpa.
No. No, it's not. See?
That's my dad.
Yeah.
I think it was my grandma and grandpa because that's the car. Why do you have the car? You switched okay?
Oh, let me see.
I don't know, because my dad and my grandpa switch trade cars sometimes.
Told you it was the last time I told you about driving before. Like,
So, I know what we're gonna do.
no, we're just
Walk. Take a long walk.
actually, it's not this one.
Okay, guys, so we're going this way.
We're going left.
And I'll give you guys, we'll give you guys 5 seconds to like and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pause the video if you need to.
So hopefully you guys like and subscribe.
No, don't pause it. Don't end it.
I know.
Because if you press that, then that means you ended it. And we need to do it all over again.
I know.
Which I don't want to do that.
Same.
Because
Yeah. This has been a long journey, guys. So can you guys please like and subscribe? It's totally free, guys.
I'm going to make this YouTube channel me and you, yeah?
So hopefully you guys like and subscribe because this has been a long journey and we are so tired. So don't let this flop.
Yeah. So guys, we are just walking.
Because we are so tired, we cannot even believe this.
You guys, I'm going to check how tall I am. Wait. Does it look tall?
So guys, I don't know if this has been a long video or like a short video.
I know. Okay, guys, we're just currently walking.
Taking a long walk.
Yep, because we want to, and we're tired.
So please like and subscribe
Yeah.
because this has been a long journey and please don't let this flop. So yeah.
You want to go over there?
I don't know.
Or do you want to go on the road? Actually, let's go over here.
I want to go over there because I don't really like going through this area because it looks creepy because it's here.
Oh my god, yes.
And this tree right there makes me feel so uncomfortable.
I
It's so
know.
creepy, huh? Like, show it to the camera. That tree, like right here. Right here.
This one. You guys. There's no one.
Okay.
There's someone. No, I'm just kidding.
Make sure to leave a comment on what our next video should be about so we can have more ideas and tell you guys. Could you change your YouTube name or no?
I don't know how. What's that?
Look at
Oh, you guys thought that was a dog. Guys, guess where we're going? To the store.
Okay guys, so we're going to the store because
We want some chips and we need to get some food for dinner.
because our mom, because we're sisters, and our mom makes us go grocery shopping, and we don't mind because it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Because more time outside.
So we're gonna walk over there to the grocery store. Let's show them. Okay, guys. So
We're
here,
walking right now.
we're on the road right now.
Guys, we're going.
More daddy guys. I'm gonna make a wish.
Guys, we're on the cement now. Oh. We're on the road now. Okay. We're on the road.
We're on the road, guys.
Oh, there's a store right here.
Pennywise be like,
Oh, that'd be.
creepy man is gonna steal us.
Just kidding, that was our dad.
I know.
We're on the cement again.
Woohoo! So,
Okay. Oh yeah, you guys. So forgot that we're going this way. It's kind of long to store, but it's okay. I don't mind. We don't mind.
yeah. You guys are probably not here yet. When are we gonna end the video?
I know.
Probably when we, I don't know.
When we get to there and get back from the store.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because, yeah. We like to go to the store. We like to go to the store.
Sure. Get your bag. Get your bag.
So guys, please
Oh,
don't let
sure.
this vibe. We're just so tired, guys. We're going to the store.
And then we're gonna take a little break because that's like the entrance to the store.
Yeah. Like my favorite thing I like about when we're going to the store is
No.
to rest on this
Wait, no, we need to go this way.
area. It has like, it's like a little house thingy, and then it has chairs and stuff like that for when people want to eat outside of the grocery. So we're probably,
And that's like kind of a restaurant. That's like kind of a restaurant. So yeah. You guys, I know the cement looks really dirty on the camera, but in real life it's actually not that dirty. Okay. Guys. Okay guys, this is kind of the entrance. But we need to go this way. And then we'll be over there. This is kind of long. You guys, but at least I was on the grass.
I know. If it was cement,
I would have busted my knee.
Remember last time when we were riding our bikes and then you tripped? And I was laughing. You're like, stop laughing. And everybody was like, you know, it's not funny. And I'm like, yeah, but I just can't help it.
I know.
And then they're like, it's because you have a funny bone and it makes you laugh. I'm like, I hate my funny bone.
Everyone has a funny bone.
I know. I like, I hate
From Gabby. Gabby texted me. But I don't. Then it's gonna end the video. You guys.
Oh! So guys, when
Right here. There's. Oh, you guys.
Ow!
Oh, you guys.
I fell, guys.
We need to get home
That
soon.
hurts.
First, we need to go to a grocery store. And
Let's hang out in the. Where will we hang out? Okay, guys, we're here in an area we hang out in. So we're gonna sit right here. See here.
this is the grocery store.
And this can be the end of the video.
No,
I think.
no, we need a. This is the entrance. This is the entrance, but we still need to go further more to the store. This is just our hangout, kind of. Why does he keep texting me? Hey guys, we just need to go to the store. I'm back. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go to the store. She keeps texting me like that. Okay, this way. Oh, I guess
The
there's.
store's right there, but it might be locked because it's late.
Yeah.
Wait, let's show them. And the thing I like about it has service. Okay, guys, so it's locked.
Guys, I
I'm
guess
gonna be so mad that it's locked.
I know. Why don't we just go to the store close by?
Yeah.
Let's go. Meet her.
Oh my God, there's a dog.
Shut up!
No, I'm pretending.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
There's a dog chasing us! I'm just kidding. We're just kidding. We're just kidding. We're just kidding. You guys are actually not kidding. We just didn't want to scare them. Guys, here you go. Wait. This way.
It's this way.
Yeah. So you need, guys, you need to go on more wood chips. She keeps texting me. Yeah. Let's see if this store is open.
Hopefully it is. I don't know, but. Okay, guys, it's closed. Sadly.
We need to go to the.
Let's go home because none are open.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go home, guys. You guys are probably not even watching this right now.
No, let's try the front gate.
Oh my God. It's not opening. It's not opening. Oh wait, I think it did open. Please.
There's a dog chasing us. We need to go home. Guys, we're kind of home. We're just in our hangout spot again. But we're soon gonna go home. But this is gonna be at the end of the video.
Okay, guys. So if you guys made it all the way to the end, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not, please do so. So.